Alright guys, this is the ceiling fan in my bedroom. This is a Harbor Breeze Crosswinds. There are three of these in my house. There's one in my room, my grandpa's room, and the computer room. And they're all the same. The only difference is on this one is I took the chains off of a Hunter fan that was previously in here. I kind of thought these looked cool and I just put them on there. I flipped the blades run on this one to the other finish and I kind of think it looks better. I got tired of the other finish, so I figured, you know what, I'll just change it. So I'll demonstrate this one. This one too has a remote that came with it. Oops. Okay. So that's light. It does dim too, but you can do that really with any ceiling fan remote. So we'll put it on low first. And yes, that is definitely not you. I have stars on my ceiling. I've always wanted a set of stars on my ceiling, and one day I saw them and I figured, you know what, we'll just put them on my ceiling, and I think it looks really cool. But yeah, so this is low. Alright, here's medium. This one's really quiet. And here's high. As you can see, it says Harbor Breeze on there too. Alright. And then here it is with the light on. So yeah, that is the Harbor Breeze Crosswinds in my bedroom. Thank you for watching.